If you can see, I have taken 3 bread slices. I have flattened the slices of bread, and I have used 1 egg. I'm going to pour in nearly 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4, or yeah, 1/4 is good. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Use 2 tablespoons of honey, pure honey in it. Right, I'm going to add that in. I'm going to give it a mix. Honey is a better substitute than putting sugar because it's a natural sweetener. I'm going to mix this all together. If you like more honey, you can put 3 teaspoons of it. I have put 2 teaspoons, and I think it's good enough. It's going to be sweet. I'm going to mix this all together. This is a basic French toast recipe, and I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, you have to mix the egg, the honey, and the egg very well. Okay, I have used 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of pure honey. Pure honey. I've used 1/4 cup of milk. You just need the mixture to be amalgamated, just mixed together well. It should be very well combined. If you think that the milk is less, you can also add a little bit more. I just took the milk and I just poured it according to my measurement, and you can use a measuring cup for this. So this is just a basic recipe for those people who don't know how to make a French toast. Believe me, this comes out so good, guys, so good. Guys, I'm just going to, I have added some cream cheese into this bread, and I'm going to roll it, the flattened bread, and I'm going to mix it in the French toast batter, right? I'm going to mix it well, yeah. Let it soak into that mixture. You want that eggy mixture, and I'm going to put it in my frying pan. In the butter, I've used 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let it brown and show you the color. Right, see, it's going to be browning. You can see that my French toast is getting ready. It's so yummy. Yum. Guys, my delicious French toast cigars are ready. They are so yummy, so easy to make. Give it a try. See, here's it. Here it looks.